how you can use points on Shein. So in order to use or redeem a gift card or a points on Shein, you can use it as a way of payment method. So when you're actually purchasing a product, then you need to just use it as a way of payment method. So let's go and select the category. So I'm gonna go with the dress. Let's see that this is the one, and then select the color, size, all that, and then click on add to cart. You can also add multiple product, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go and select the one and click on the cart icon located right at the bottom. Now from here, you need to select which item you actually want to buy or that you wish to check out, and then you need to click on checkout located right at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in the shipping address, so go ahead and enter in your billing address and all that. Next interface, you'll be provided with the payment section. So basically, you'll be asked whether you want to do it cash on delivery, or you want to do it online payment, or you want to apply a gift card. And under it, where you actually see a gift card or apply coupon, and just go ahead and enter in the code, or you can also see points. Accordingly, how much points you have, you can get a certain amount of discount. So that's basically how you can use points on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.